I gave 10 AI agents $100 each. Only one made real money. 2026. What if I gave 10 of the world's most powerful AI agents the exact same budget, the exact same goal, and only one mission: make real money online? No human shortcuts, no secret team, and no unlimited funding. After 30 days, some AI agents completely failed, some burned through every dollar, and only one quietly built a business that actually worked. The results shocked me, and what I discovered could completely change the way you use AI in 2026. Welcome back to NextGen Wealth, the channel where we test the latest AI tools, online business strategies, and real-world money-making experiments so you don't have to waste your own time or money. Everyone on the internet is saying the same thing. AI can build businesses. AI can replace employees. AI can make you rich while you sleep. But is any of that actually true? Instead of believing random screenshots on social media, I decided to run one of the biggest AI business experiments I've ever attempted. I selected 10 different AI agents, each with unique strengths and different ways of solving problems. Every AI agent received the same $100 budget, the same 30-day deadline, and one simple objective: build an online business that generates real profit. No extra funding, no human employees, no fake success stories. Everything had to happen using practical strategies that anyone could realistically follow in 2026. Some AI agents promised incredible results before the experiment even began. One predicted it would turn $100 into thousands. Another claimed it would build a fully automated business with almost no human involvement. Every AI agent sounded confident, but confidence means nothing until real money starts showing up. What happened over the next 30 days was something I never expected. Let's begin. The first step was deciding how each AI agent would compete. Giving all 10 agents the exact
strategy wouldn't teach us anything, so each one received a different role based on its strength. The first AI agent focused entirely on content creation. Its goal was simple: create valuable articles, videos, social media posts, and educational content that could attract an audience and eventually generate income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. The second AI agent entered the world of affiliate marketing. Instead of creating products, it searched for high-quality software and digital services with attractive commission rates. Every sale would generate profit without handling inventory or customer support. The third AI agent focused on e-commerce. It researched trending products, analyzed demand, studied competitors, and planned to build an online store capable of attracting customers from around the world. The fourth AI agent believed digital products were the future. It wanted to create templates, e-books, AI prompts, online guides, and downloadable resources that could be sold repeatedly with almost no additional costs. The fifth AI agent entered the freelancing market. Instead of building a traditional company, it planned to sell AI-powered services like copywriting, video scripts, logo design, presentations, marketing strategies, and social media management. The sixth AI agent focused on print-on-demand. It planned to generate unique artwork using AI and sell products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases without ever touching inventory. The seventh AI agent wanted to dominate YouTube automation. It would research trending topics, generate scripts, create voiceovers, design thumbnails, and upload videos designed to earn advertising revenue over time. The eighth AI agent believed newsletters were still one of the most underrated online businesses. It planned to build an email audience and recommend useful AI software and business tools through affiliate partnerships. The ninth AI agent focused entirely on helping businesses
automate repetitive tasks. It planned to offer AI solutions that could save companies time, reduce costs, and improve productivity. Finally, the 10th AI agent decided to combine everything together. Instead of relying on one income source, it wanted to create an ecosystem where every business model supported another. Before launching any business, every AI agent spends several hours researching current market trends. This was one of the most fascinating parts of the experiment. Within minutes, each AI agent analyzed thousands of search results, customer reviews, social media conversations, online communities, and business reports. Tasks that would normally take a human several weeks were completed in just a few hours. At first glance, AI looked unstoppable. The content creation agent quickly discovered that people were searching for practical AI tutorials, online income strategies, productivity systems, and beginner-friendly automation guides. The affiliate marketing agent noticed increasing demand for AI software subscriptions. The e-commerce agent found several products experiencing rapid growth. The freelancing agent noticed businesses desperately searching for affordable AI services. Everything looked incredibly promising. It almost felt impossible to fail. But research is only the beginning. execution is where everything changes. The next morning, every AI agent started building. The content creation agent immediately produced 10 blog articles, 20 social media posts, 5 video scripts, and an entire content calendar for the next month. Its speed was unbelievable. What would normally require a full marketing team was completed before lunch. The affiliate marketing agent created comparison articles, product reviews, email campaigns, and optimized landing pages designed to convert visitors into buyers. Meanwhile, the e-commerce agent selected its products, designed a professional-looking online store, wrote persuasive product descriptions, and even created realistic promotional images. Everything looked polished. If you visited the website, you would never guess it had been built almost entirely by AI. The digital products agent worked even faster. It created premium AI prompt collections, business templates, budgeting spreadsheets, productivity planners, resume templates, and business checklists. Within 48 hours, it already had dozens of products ready to sell. The freelancing agent took a completely different approach. Instead waiting for customers, it actively searched for business owners who needed help. It prepared personalized proposals, service packages, and portfolio samples generated with AI assistance. The goal wasn't to wait. The goal was to start conversations. The print-on-demand agent generated hundreds of creative designs based on trending topics. Some were motivational. Others were funny. Some targeted entrepreneurs. Others focused on technology enthusiasts. The speed was incredible. What would normally take months happened in a single day. The YouTube automation agent impressed me the most during the setup phase. It researched viral topics, generated engaging scripts, created realistic voiceovers, suggested thumbnail ideas, and even optimized titles for higher click-through rates. Watching the entire process happen automatically felt almost unreal. The newsletter agent focused on building trust instead of making immediate sales. It created valuable emails packed with AI news, productivity tips, online business insights, and useful software recommendations. Rather than chasing quick profits, it wanted loyal readers. The business automation agent prepared customized AI solutions for companies in different industries: restaurants, real estate agencies, marketing firms, fitness coaches, online stores. Every proposal explained exactly how AI could save time and increase profits. Finally, the hybrid AI agent quietly connected everything together. Content pointed readers toward digital products. Digital products encouraged email subscriptions. Emails promoted affiliate offers. Affiliate income funded more content. Every part strengthened another. Unlike the other agents, it wasn't chasing quick money. It was building a complete business system. Everything seemed to be moving perfectly. The dashboards looked impressive. The websites looked professional. The content quality exceeded expectations. The AI agents were confident. If you judged the competition after only 3 days, every business looked like a future success story. But online business isn't judged by how professional everything looks. It's judged by one thing: results. And those results were about to reveal a reality that almost nobody on social media talks about. Because while every AI agent looked successful on the surface, hidden beneath the polished websites and beautiful dashboards were problems that would soon separate the winners from the losers. The 4th day of the experiment completely changed everything. Until that point, every AI agent looked incredibly confident. Their dashboards were full of activity, new websites were online, content was being published every day, emails were being sent, and marketing campaigns had already started. From the outside, it looked like every business was on its way to success. But when I opened the revenue dashboard, the excitement disappeared almost instantly. Most of the businesses had generated exactly the same amount of money. 0. That was the first reality check. AI can build faster than any human. It can research faster, it can write faster, it can design faster. But speed alone doesn't create customers. For the first time, every AI agent had to face the biggest challenge in online business: getting attention. The content creation agent had already published dozens of articles and social media posts, yet almost nobody was reading them. The quality was impressive. The information was valuable. The formatting looked professional. But without an audience, even the best content is invisible. It became clear that creating content is only half the battle. The other half is getting people to actually see it. The affiliate marketing agent faced a similar problem. Its landing pages looked amazing. The product comparisons were detailed. The recommendations made sense. People were clicking the links, but very few visitors were buying. After analyzing the data, the AI discovered something important. Visitors didn't trust a brand they had never heard of. In 2026, people are surrounded by AI-generated content. Trust has become more valuable than ever. Without credibility, conversions remain low. Meanwhile, the e-commerce agent encountered another obstacle. Several products attracted visitors. People added items to their carts. Everything looked promising. Then they left without completing the purchase. The AI immediately began analyzing customer behavior. It found that shipping costs were discouraging buyers. The checkout process was too long. Product reviews were limited. Small problems combined into one major issue. The store looked professional, but customers still hesitated. The digital products agent experienced a completely different situation. One of its productivity templates unexpectedly started gaining attention through online communities. People began downloading the free version. Some upgraded to the premium version. The sales weren't huge, but something important happened. Real customers appeared. For the first time, one of the AI agents had proven it could generate actual revenue. The freelancing agent also received its first response. A small business owner needed help writing marketing emails. The project wasn't worth thousands of dollars, but it was a paying client. The AI completed the work quickly, delivered everything on time, and received positive.
That one satisfied client became the beginning of something much bigger. The print-on-demand agent continued uploading designs every day. Its catalog kept growing. Hundreds of products were now available, but almost nobody was buying them. The AI finally admitted something interesting. Creating more products wasn't solving the real problem. The problem wasn't supply. The problem was demand. Instead of producing hundreds of average designs, it needed a few exceptional ones that people actually wanted. That realization completely changed its strategy. The YouTube automation agent also experienced disappointment. Its first few videos barely received any views. At first, this looked like failure, but instead of giving up, the AI started studying every piece of data available. Which titles received more clicks? Which thumbnails attracted attention? Where did viewers stop watching? Which topics generated longer watch times? Every upload became a learning opportunity. Instead of repeating mistakes, the AI improved after every video. The newsletter agent quietly continued growing. It wasn't making large amounts of money, but something valuable was happening. Subscribers were opening emails. They were clicking links. They were replying with questions. A relationship was forming. That audience became an asset no algorithm could take away. Then something unexpected happened. The business automation agent finally received an important meeting with a local company interested in AI solutions. The business owner didn't care about complicated technology. He only cared about one thing. Could AI save his company money? The AI prepared a simple demonstration showing how repetitive administrative tasks could be automated. The presentation lasted less than 15 minutes. The answer came immediately. The company agreed to become its first paying client. That single client generated more revenue than weeks of advertising. Watching this
unfold completely changed my understanding of AI business. The businesses solving real problems were outperforming businesses chasing trends. Around the halfway point of the experiment, another major surprise appeared. The hybrid AI agent was slowly pulling ahead. Unlike the others, it wasn't depending on one income stream. Its YouTube videos attracted viewers. Those viewers joined the email newsletter. The newsletter promoted useful AI software. Affiliate commissions generated additional income. Digital products increased revenue even further. Every piece supported another. It wasn't one business. It was an ecosystem. Whenever one source slowed down, another continued generating results. That stability became one of its biggest strengths. Meanwhile, some AI agents had already spent most of their $100 budget. Paid advertising had produced disappointing results. Several campaigns generated clicks, but almost no sales. The lesson became obvious. Throwing money at a business doesn't automatically solve its problems. Good systems outperform large budgets. One evening, I compared all 10 businesses side by side. Some looked beautiful, but earned almost nothing. Others looked surprisingly simple while generating steady income. It reminded me that online business isn't a design competition. Customers care about value, not fancy dashboards, not complicated websites, not expensive software, only value. During the final week, momentum started shifting dramatically. The YouTube automation agent finally uploaded a video that connected with viewers. It wasn't an overnight viral success, but it steadily gained views every day. The audience retention improved. Subscribers started increasing. Comments appeared. The algorithm slowly began recommending more videos. One successful upload boosted the entire channel. The freelancing agent also received repeat business. Its first satisfied client recommended the service to another company. Without spending additional advertising money, another project arrived. Then another. Then another. The AI wasn't just finding customers anymore. Customers were finding it. That was one of the strongest indicators of a sustainable business. The digital products agent also expanded its collection. Instead of creating random products, it focused entirely on solving specific problems. Every new product answered a real customer need. Sales became more consistent, not explosive, but predictable. The affiliate marketing agent simplified everything. Instead of promoting dozens of different tools, it focused on only a handful of products it genuinely believed were useful. Ironically, promoting fewer products increased overall commissions. Customers appreciated clear recommendations instead of endless choices. As day 30 finally arrived, it was time to calculate the final results. Several AI agents had lost money. Some recovered their original investment. A few earned modest profits. But one AI agent clearly stood above the rest. It wasn't the fastest, it wasn't the smartest, and it certainly wasn't the most expensive. It simply adapted faster than everyone else. Whenever something failed, it changed direction. Whenever data suggested a better opportunity, it followed the evidence instead of its original plan. There was no ego, no emotional attachment, only constant improvement. That became the winning formula. Looking back at the entire experiment, one lesson stood out above everything else. AI is not a magic money machine. It doesn't automatically create wealth. It doesn't replace strategy. It doesn't replace trust. It doesn't replace consistency. What AI really does is amplify your decisions. Good decisions become better. Bad decisions become expensive much faster. The biggest surprise wasn't that one AI agent made money. The real surprise was how many incredibly intelligent AI agents failed because they focused on tools instead of solving real human problems. That lesson is worth far more than the $100 each agent started with. Because technology will continue changing, new AI models will continue appearing, more automation will become available, competition will become stronger every single year. But businesses that create genuine value will always have customers. And that's exactly why one AI agent succeeded while the other struggled. If this experiment proved anything, it's that the future doesn't belong to the people with the most AI tools. The future belongs to the people who know how to use AI with the right strategy, the right mindset, and the patience to improve every single day. If you've made it this far, you've already learned the same lesson that completely changed the way I think about online business in 2026. The real opportunity isn't replacing yourself with AI. The real opportunity is building systems where AI works for you instead of trying to do everything for you. Thank you so much for watching NextGen Wealth. Stay curious, keep learning, keep building.